Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty here back again, and today I'm talking about my keto diet. And right here we have bacon and eggs. I eat this almost every morning. I usually put spinach in my eggs, but I ran out of spinach today, so I had to cook the bacon and eggs just like it is. With the bacon, I think it's an applewood bacon. I shouldn't eat applewood because I believe that's cured bacon. But it had maybe like 1 gram of carbs and maybe 1 gram of sugar, which is not too bad. And you know, I picked it up. I didn't really pay attention. I ain't had money for the organic, so I picked this up. Just something fast and easy. So what I did was I fried the bacon first, and all that bacon grease that comes from this fat from the bacon, all that fat, I use that for my eggs. So once the bacon is done, I don't clean the pan. I go ahead and crack. I made 4 eggs today. I didn't know I make 4 eggs though, but I should have made just 3. Made a little too many eggs, but that's fine. But once the bacon was done, I just use that grease, crack the eggs in it, throw the eggs in there, scramble in the pan. I put some cheddar cheese in it, mild cheddar cheese. I put salt and pepper on it, and I use that grease to cook the eggs, and that's it. So this is what I eat on not an everyday basis, but most days I eat bacon, eggs, made some sausage links on the side. I'm gonna start eating avocados soon. I'm not a big fan of avocados, but you know, it goes good with this breakfast. You know, so this is like a breakfast thing. I eat my keto, so and I feel fantastic. So you can never get tired of bacon and eggs. You know, I eat that growing up. We'll eat eggs and sausages in the morning. I grew up on that. It's a cheap. I don't buy the organic eggs. I should be buying organic eggs, but I get an 18 pack for like $2, and that'll last me all week. I get maybe 2 packs of bacon. I might spend $8 there, and I have my breakfast for pretty much the whole week. So this is my video, my keto breakfast. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's give you an idea that keto is cool. You still eat bacon and eggs, and you can still eat any meat that you pretty much want. Okay, so this is Tom for thexking.com, and thanks for watching.